How to log into your Amazon account. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Amazon account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Amazon is a American multinational technology company engaged in e-commerce, cloud computing, and online advertising. And if you want to log into your Amazon account, here is how you do it. First of all, open any web browser you have. You can do this on the app on your phone as well. I'm using Google Chrome right now and search for Amazon. The first result is the official website, which is amazon.com. Open this one up, and if you are already logged in, it will show you right here, and if you're not, you'll have an option to sign in. So go ahead and tap on accounts and then tap on sign in. Now first thing you need to do is provide your email address. Then after you have done that, you can just hit enter, and it will ask you to enter your password. And if you have set any passkeys that are available, you can use your passkey to sign in, like your biometrics, your Face ID, or anything else. And in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password and enter your email or phone. Then Amazon will send you a reset link on your email or your phone number. And after you have done that, tap on continue. They will send you a code to your email to reset your passcode. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to simply enter my password right here. So just tap on continue and enter your password. And once you have entered your password, you will be logged into your account. So as you can see, if I tap on this account section, here I have an option to manage profile, switch account, or sign out. That means I have successfully logged into my Amazon account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. It's quite straightforward. I'll see you guys on the next one.